What you are seeing at the moment is tens of thousands of protesters who took to the streets as they have for the last 3 months. The proposal has drawn sharp criticism from across Israeli society, including former prime ministers and defense officials, high-tech business leaders, Israel's attorney general, and prominent American Jews.
In recent weeks, discontent over the overhaul has even surged from within the Israeli army. A growing number of Israeli reservists have threatened to withdraw from voluntary duty in the past weeks, posing a broad challenge to Netanyahu as he deviantly plows ahead with the reform while on trial for corruption.